Mr. Ching Ching, Mr. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back, Sabuya. Hey, don't be surprised. Yeah, I'm having some njenje. As you can see, things are looking a little bit different, and I will tell you later on why things are looking this different. Right, as I said, today we're doing things differently, and today I'm having a guest by the name of Slim Boy from Bona Cooper Casey. Did I get it right?
You do get it right. But you forgot and spices.
And spices.
I understand, Mr. Big. Thank you.
The mother of Umshini spice.
The step of flavor, my boss.
Yes.
Step of flavor.
Look at the camera and just introduce yourself. Who are you?
Slim, they call me Slim Boy. I might not be able to do what Jav is doing. We are come back. But yeah, here we are. We are from Cooper Casings and Spices. With the spice called Umshini wami, not necessarily the gun, but the step of flavor. We are here to show you how we step food into your stomach, nicely set.
Yeah, but you don't look slim, bro. You're saying Slim Boy, but I see you're having a hump like mine, but you're talking about slim. What happened to the hump? What's going on?
Old age.
Have you
Old age.
So
Slim Boy, it's a name from childhood, but it's thick. But yeah, you can now move it from Slim Boy to Fat Boy. It's okay. It's okay.
So, Cooper Casing, you guys are specializing in spices. So, how many different spices that you have?
Sprinkles, we have quite a lot, but this is our signature house spice, Umshini.
Yeah.
We do have your
Not Zuma.
No, not necessarily
not
Zuma,
Zuma, but Umshini spice.
Umshini spice.
Yeah, you are not doing like this.
No, it symbolizes that we are saying we do kill the food.
Yeah.
Nicely so for you to eat, nicely for you to eat it, healthy and very palatable.
Okay.
Yes.
Guys, before you can ask yourself what's going on, Umshini Spice are the official sponsor for our Big Save Extravaganza Top 8 that will be happening on the 9th of November 2025. So the year is coming to an end, and Umshini, they've been there with us. They've already bought 2 soccer kits, and then they said, you know what, Mr. Big, we want to be part of you, and we want to be part of the tournament. Hence, they're like coming on the 9th of November to participate and again to present this beautiful trophy to the winner. So don't be surprised and like, hi man, and these guys, who are they? So they are our main sponsor. They were going to give the trophy and the medals on the day. So today we invited them and say, look, bring the meat, bring the spice, let's do things differently. And as we have meat, we have pork, and we have chicken, and we have chicken gizzard. So we're going to cook, Slim Boy, yeah. We're going to cook. And first up is going to be you. I'm giving you your meat.
Yes.
So you'll be looking at that camera, you'll be explaining your meat, and then what is the cut, and what spice are we going to use, and how we're going to be braising and all that. So first up, it's you with beef.
Thank you very much. We have our chuck here. We're just gonna do a nicely salty on it and nicely pan fry. Not complicated, the same as maybe you might be doing on an open fire, but today we are just doing it in a pan.
All right.
Salted it up. And
so let's get a pan.
We have our pan here.
And then I think this already on. Yeah.
And then we might need to put some bit of oil in there for it not to stick. I see by then it's a non-stick pan.
Yeah, non-stick. Yeah, that's the one.
Drizzle our oil. Let it heat up as we go. Temperature sharp on 5. We take our Umshini spice.
That's 6.
6 is fine. Just for the heat, the oil to heat up, and then we can reduce it as we now put in our thingy there. Okay. Umshini spice. It's a Ziploc which provide shelf life.
And explain about the Ziploc, because most of the guys they don't understand what is the main purpose of the Ziploc.
It's to keep moisture out. You know,
Yeah.
when you buy others that don't have Ziploc, once it's open, it's opened.
Yeah.
And because it's a spice, it has oils, it has dry goods inside.
Yeah.
So the more they get moisture, the more they become a bit pastish and they cake. And that reduces the shelf life of your spice. So with a Ziploc, it keeps your shelf life longer and it keeps it nice and clean.
Yeah,
So
and I heard again you talked about the healthy part of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so can you explain that to
The
us?
healthy part of it is we try to have it low salt content as much as possible. 'Cause
Low?
salt
Low salt. Guys, low salt
content.
content. Yes.
Most have high salt. We're looking at the low salt so that it can cater for all age.
Okay.
'Cause
So
remember, salt.
you sorry for that. So for those that are having high blood, so this is good for them.
This is good for them because now it means their salt. They don't have to put more salt because salt is a problem for the health hygiene. But the only health thing that we are saying it is there. It's just that it's not doesn't have high salt content.
Okay. Let me not hold you. Let me not hold you. Do your magic. Work your magic because I can see and I can feel the pen is like it's getting hot.
Maybe let me try to reduce.
Yeah,
because I still need
I
to
saw
salt.
when it was like 5, I'm like, yeah.
No, I thought it was not gonna take long.
Yeah, magic.
Magic.
It looks like a chick. Get it fast.
Eat fast.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna spice the meat.
Yep.
It depends on how you want to do it. There's no
But
recommendation.
you know us from
Yeah.
from the kitchen.
We can sprinkle it out. I can use the spoon, you can use a hand, but you just need to give it a bit of spice there and there for it to, you can even rub it in so that it can get in there, massage your meat for it to be tender and stuff. It depends on how well you want your spice to look like.
Yeah.
But obviously more might create more salt or more spice into it and then you lose the flavor.
So I don't know. Maybe you can teach me. Remember, we are in house.
Yeah.
So sometimes I see those who do the braai outside.
Yeah.
They will also put cooking oil also on top
of it for it to stick. But remember, we have our oil here in the pan. So mostly outside, because it's open fire, you're just trying to make it more glossy and then the spice to stick in and go in. But our oil is there, Mr. Big.
Is that important though to know that you are cooking outside, you are cooking inside? Is that
oil.
important? No, I'm saying like when you making spice and braaiing and all that, is that important that okay, when you are outside, you sprinkle it and then you put oil, or you just put oil?
It's not recommended. It's not necessarily important, but it's for those who want. Like for instance, I will show you when you are doing your chicken. Sometimes when people marinate chicken, they put oil and then they start putting the spices in and tumble it so that the chicken, the spice can stick.
Yeah.
It's just only for you saying that the spice can stick and for you easily to rub it on. And it moves nicely onto your, or it coats, it's for coating, coats nicely onto your meat.
So what's your favorite cut? I like T-bone.
I preferably like short rib.
Short rib.
Short ribs are nicer for me. T-bone
I
is
like
nice.
T-bone nice.
It's nice, but for me, quite expensive. Sorry, maybe you have an expensive taste, but yeah, I prefer a short rib. It's nice for me, but T-bones are also nice. But the thickness for me is I prefer not necessarily thicker, but smaller. And now that it's sprinkled, let's check our oil, Mr. Big.
Yeah. It's hot.
Okay.
Yes, hot.
Then let's take your big chunk and put it in. But number 2, I think, is too small. Then it gives you that sizzling. Then it shows you that your meat, your oil, it's at the right temperature.
Yeah.
And obviously, if you say you like T-bone, so it means you don't cook it throughout.
Yeah.
You don't kill the meat.
Yeah. Right. While it's still getting some oil and all that, and still cooking, let's talk about our Big Save stores. You are at Big Save Mabopane, Big Save Hammanskraal, and Big Save Mabololo. So these 3 stores, are you only supplying Umshini, or are you guys looking at supplying other stuff also?
We do supply them other stuff, but remember, area to area.
Yeah.
We do supply them with casings, which is throughout for everyone else,
Yeah.
which are casings that you use for making sausages. But we do supply other stores with our spices for Vos, the one that they're making to use Vos.
Yeah.
But you might find that Mabopane has a different flavor compared to what Marble Hall might have.
Wait. You say Vors.
Yes.
How?
We have spices that are called bash pack,
Okay.
mixed up to give you a different flavor. Like for instance, you want to have a Limpopo chakaleke, color bright, you mix it up and then you mix it with your mince and mix it all together, pump it into those casings and you make your Vors. Hence you find out that you have different types of Vors, names and flavor, you know.
Yeah.
You have a traditional Boerewors, you have Langpad Boerewors, and then you have your Voortrekke, Kameel Boom. So those are different flavor signatures. So based on the market segment that you are in,
Yeah.
you tend to have different types of flavors.
So let me get this thing right, and I'm learning, guys. I'm learning. So there's different types of spices, and they work differently on a certain Boerewors.
Yes.
So there was one that I saw. It's peri something. So is that one made for people who love spicy stuff or what?
And chili, yes.
And chili.
Yeah.
But that thing, yo ho.
Those people who love it, but it's. I have friends that eat raw chili when we eat, but chilies it's healthy. It's an healthy product, but it's too hot. But like I said, the bash packs are different for different flavor profiles.
I'm bored, my
And,
bro. I'm
yeah.
bored, my bro. Imagine me eating that stuff. It will be rain coming down.
Yeah,
here.
no, you will sweat. You will sweat, but it means you're taking out the impurities. Then you become more healthier, you know.
Oh, I didn't know that you can also do that. But mostly it's not common. It must be a specific order, ne? Because I don't see it at the butchers.
No, you have spices that can come as hot,
Yeah.
but you can have spices that are just not hot.
Yeah.
But when you do your batch, some separate them and then cut chili and mince it with the mince,
Yeah.
and it has chili, your raw normal chili in there. Then it still have the same flavor profile, but in a chili format.
Oh, okay, all right.
But it's just based on preference, Mr. Big. You don't like chili, you stay away from it. You
Yeah.
like it, you get it. But then sometimes maybe the boldness needs to have some sweat now and again. So you must take a bit of it now and again, you know.
Right, Slim Boy, hold it like that, guys. As always, Hariam Papazo Sabuya. What is out. Badimo! Pata! Abena! Hey!
That's it.
Off! Big save! Hey, from Benny, let's go! Big save! Another Potter! Big save! Sabuya! Hey, guys, Noela Nyama. It's the meat all over here. I'm smithing. Brocade, Slim Boy. The meat looks delicious. I can see. Can we taste?
Yes, now you can taste. One thing that I want you to also take note of
Yeah.
is the spice doesn't bend the meat.
Yeah.
You still have
So the spice doesn't bend the meat. So it's not about the amount of spice that we pour on top of the meat.
but not over. It's not like what I'm saying is don't put the whole packet here
Yeah.
and leave it in the pan for 3 hours and think the burn it's the spice. The
Yeah.
burn is that you burn the meat yourself. But you look at this meat here, the color, the everything, it's nicely salted and it could nicely cooked. So we have spices. I'm not saying other spices they do burn, but it's the content of the spice inside.
Yeah. So
gives you-
in pep.
Yeah, you don't burn the meat.
Axim pep. Umshini.
Umshini, yeah.
Now over to you, sir.
Which one do you want to start with?
I'm more, I don't know, the crew will go with theirs.
think let me give
but
you what you
this
prefer.
one I just see it, it's calling me Mr. B, come. And I'm like, hey, I'm here.
How do you get it?
Love the brown.
Brownish.
Nice. Nice.
Juicy.
Very, very nice. Guys, listen to this. Stand a chance to win 1,500. 1,500 from Umshini Spice. How do you do that and how do you win? Very simple, guys. Go to Big Save Mabopane, Big Save Hammanskraal, and Big Save Mabolong. All you have to do, you buy 2 Umshini Spice. You buy 2 Umshini Spice. 2. You buy 2 Umshini Spice. Then inside the store, you take a selfie with your tail slip and Umshini Spice. And if you're one of those people who are afraid of taking pictures in front of people, you can go to your comfort of your home and take the pictures with the tail slip. And guys, remember, the tail slip needs to be the date that you have purchased the Umshini Spice. Then go to our social media platform, which is Copcast Facebook page. It is not Umshini. So that's where some of you guys, I can see I've been getting inquiries that no, but we're looking for Umshini. No, you are not looking for Umshini. You will look for Copcast. COPCAS. So that's where you're gonna find Umshini Spice Facebook page. Then you like, you share, you comment, you hashtag, you invite your friends to also do the same, and also encourage them to go and buy Umshini Spice at those 3 stores. And remember, some of you are far away from our store. We are not discouraging you. We are just saying also like, share, comment, and Bona. You could win. We don't know. Maybe we'll see when we see that Hashem, you are busy liking, you are busy inviting. But for now, we want you to go and buy and listen to this. A nice, beautiful thing that we are giving to you guys. So if you have laid by your Christmas clothes from June, July, back, you could win. And this one goes to all these 3 stores. You could win. Listen to this. 3,000 shopping voucher for your lay-by. So we're gonna go to you and say, hey, that 3,000, the winner. Wow! And we're gonna select 1 each store. So it's going to be Mabopane, Hammanskraal, and Mabolong. Wow, guys, it doesn't get any better than this. Umshini Spice, Bona, So guys, that is the competition that is running now. It is on our social media platforms. Make sure you go to our TikTok, make sure you go to our Instagram, and make sure again you go to Facebook page. As I said, don't look for Umshini, because most of you are going to Umshini. Look for Copcast. That's where you're gonna find us. That's where you're gonna find the Umshini Facebook page, and you will see there's a lot of spices. You will see blue, white. The majority of the color is white.